You know what you're doing under there?
No.
What's going on, Train Fam? Today we are in a 26-foot U-Haul box truck, and we are going to pick up a free, yes, free layout I got from Facebook Marketplace. Wait till you guys see this thing. You guys are going to be on a YouTube video, so hope you don't mind.
Oh yeah, this thing's not bad.
Easy with the train set, man. Well, Train Fam, here it is, piece number 1 in the truck.
No. That's on and out. Right. All right, it's good though. Okay. It's completely disconnected then. Yep. Not really.
Only a few more pieces to go and we'll be ready to roll. The backstory for this layout is it was originally built in Florida. It was moved to my state, Massachusetts, a few years ago, and the layout was originally built to the tune of $35,000. Amazing. We did get a few trains with it and a few other accessories, which was a really nice little surprise, and we moved it all in my truck. Here's one of the sets that I got. This thing is just beautiful. MTH Premier ABA NYC. The layout was built with a lot of care and thoughtfulness, as you can see here. I just want to take a moment to thank my friends who helped me move the layout. They did a tremendous job and we got it all safely back to my house. Here it is in my garage. But the layout just has great detail. I can't wait to incorporate this downstairs in the basement. Once again, my friends did a great job. They took a lot of care helping me move this thing. Can't thank them enough.
This has been a Wheel Toy Chain production. Thanks for watching.